The concept of live services and games as a service, GaaS, refers to a model of game development and distribution that focuses on ongoing, continuous engagement with players through regular content updates, feature expansions, and community-driven activities. Rather than releasing a game as a one-time product, developers provide ongoing support, updates, and monetization opportunities to sustain player interest and revenue generation over an extended period. Here are several key aspects that characterize the concept of live services and games as a service. Continuous content updates. Games as a service involve regular content updates, patches, and expansions that introduce new features, gameplay modes, maps, characters, storylines, and cosmetic items to the game. These updates are released incrementally over time, keeping the game fresh, dynamic, and relevant to players long after its initial launch. Community engagement and feedback. Live services prioritize community engagement and feedback, encouraging players to participate in forums, surveys, playtests, and social media discussions to share their thoughts, suggestions, and concerns with developers. Community feedback informs the development roadmap, guiding decisions about future updates, balancing gameplay, and addressing player needs and preferences. Monetization strategies. Games as a service utilize various monetization strategies to generate revenue beyond the initial purchase price, including microtransactions, in-game purchases, downloadable content, DLC, season passes, subscription services, and cosmetic item sales. These monetization mechanisms offer players optional ways to enhance their gaming experience or customize their in-game avatars, while providing developers with a steady stream of revenue to support ongoing development and maintenance costs. Live events and seasons. Live services feature live events, seasons, and limited-time events that offer exclusive rewards, challenges, and activities for players to participate in. These events may coincide with real-world holidays, milestones, or promotional tie-ins, providing opportunities for community engagement, competition, and collaboration within the game. Cross-platform integration. Games as a service often support cross-platform integration, allowing players to access their accounts, progress, and purchases across multiple devices and platforms. Cross-platform compatibility enables seamless gameplay experiences, fosters community cohesion, and expands the reach and accessibility of the game to a broader audience. Data-driven development. Live services rely on data-driven development practices, leveraging player telemetry, analytics, and metrics to inform decision-making, iterate on game design, and optimize player engagement and retention. Developers analyze player behavior, usage patterns, and feedback to identify trends, opportunities, and areas for improvement, enabling them to adapt and evolve the game over time based on player preferences and market trends. Long-term player retention. Games as a service aim to foster long-term player retention by providing compelling, ever-evolving experiences that keep players invested and engaged over time. By offering a continuous stream of new content, events, challenges, and rewards, developers strive to create a sense of anticipation, progression, and community within the game, encouraging players to return regularly and stay connected with the game's ecosystem. Overall, the concept of live services and games as a service represents a shift in game development and distribution models towards ongoing, service-oriented approaches that prioritize player engagement, community collaboration, and revenue sustainability. By embracing the principles of live services, developers can create vibrant, evolving gaming experiences that resonate with players and adapt to their changing needs and expectations over time.